Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back at it with another one. The Walk and Talk, episode 37. We're getting on up there. So here we are, guys. Sorry for the little brief hiatus. Been waiting on some knives to come in, and that's what's been taking while we had no videos. So, gonna get this one going here. I do have a little PSA to give you guys until I get this unboxed here, or maybe I'll just give it to you while I'm getting her open here. That is a public service announcement if you didn't know. So here we go. We have another collector that's going to be helping us out with some knives. So we're going to have some real beauties coming in. So you guys will probably like this. I know I'm stoked about it. So that's what we got coming up. I guess we're going to have some more beautiful knives coming in. Just want to let you guys know that. And check this out. You probably already know about the title, but look at all those delicious peanuts, by the way. There we are. Number 14. And by the way, if you want to help support the channel, take a look at the link in the comments below. Help us out. None of your donations go to me, paying me any kind of money to go out here and party with. Just goes back into the channel. Trying to get a new camera. We're getting very close to that. And, these knives that's going to be coming in, I'm going to have to fit the bill on the shipping to get them back to him and stuff. So, anyways, here we are, guys. Number 14, our first one. Let's open her up. There's her cap. Come on now, focus in there. There we go. Got a peanut in here as always. I think we know who this comes from. I believe his name is Jamie. Heard good things about him. Heard he is a good fellow. Uh-oh. We got a cap in here too. Or a button. Yeah, look at that. Is that cool or what? That's where it come from. JSR. Some of you already probably know what this knife is, and I tell you, when I seen these pop up in my email, I was like, wow, that is beautiful. Ready? Here we go. Ching. Look at that. Is that slick or what? That's sweet. This is my first time with a 14. It's a little knife. It's good. I thought they might be a tad bit bigger than they are, but that's not an issue. I mean, it's just, I thought they might be a little bit bigger. Man, that feels good. That's tight. Yeah, that feels great. A little tight, like I said, right there, but that'll loosen up. Feels good. That's very close to an 8 right there. Very close. Look at that. Mop this plate off a little bit here. That is sweet. Look at that. Here's our etch here. Very cool. Sweet. I was just gandering at it there, gazing at it. Very nice. Just feel those transitions feel great. Yeah. Perfect. Check that blade centering. Perfect. On the money. Yeah, that is nice right there. Good and stiff. Okay guys, sorry the camera died. As I was saying, it's a little tight there, but you can hear it right there. It's not snapping quite as much as it would, and this needs to be loosened up a little bit. Feels great though. Very nice. Cobblestone Jigged Bone from JSR. Let's get the specs here on it. Very nice little knife. So here's it is a 43.1 grams. Get you the size here. Let's go with the overall first. Right at 5 1/4. I believe that is, yeah, 5 1/4. 5 1/4 overall length. Oop. 2 1/4 on the cutting edge. I believe that's 2 1/4. Yeah. 1/4 on the cutting edge. And I'm gonna guess this is probably around about 3 inches. Yep, 3 inches on the money. 3 inches closed. So that'll give you a size of the number 14 right there. Very nice. It's our badge here for it. JSR. Very great. Nice little knife there, Jamie. I do like. I wish this one was mine. Very nice. Fit and finish is great on that. Got the nickel silver bolsters, 1095 on the blade still as usual, and back spring. Nice little clip blade there. That is nice. If you just want to go out light in your pocket one day, so just have a little, got your summer shorts on, this would be a great one. It reminds me of the peanut from Case. Very nice little knife. Anyways guys, I believe that's going to wrap it up. Here's our tube. SFO. There we are guys, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we have another one here coming up, so I don't even know what's in that package. So stay tuned guys, and like I said, we got some sweet ones on the way too. So stay tuned guys. Hillbilly over and out of here. Peace.